Hey, if you're a business consultant or a business lender, maybe an accountant or even real estate developer that works with a lot of small businesses that are looking to raise capital and they need to create financial projections, whether from investors or lenders or even just projections for internal planning, we have created a set of templates and tools that I think will be really helpful and save you a lot of time. So my name's Adam Hooksum. I'm the co-founder of ProjectionHub, and over the last decade, we've helped thousands of entrepreneurs create financial projections for raising investment, securing loans, and just internal business planning. And we have taken our experience and developed a set of 50 financial projection templates that we have put together here in a library, and we are selling access to the entire library of templates for partners that are working with lots of different individual business owners. So if that describes you, this may be useful. I'm going to show you a little bit more about what types of templates we have available, as well as dive into one of our templates as an example. You can see we have things like a two-sided marketplace template for a technology business, an auto repair shop, a bar, a boutique hotel, a brewery, a church, a cloud or ghost kitchen, a coffee shop, a daycare center, a dental office, a dispensary, a donut shop, e-commerce businesses, Saas models. So lots of different variation here. Really just about any type of business model you can think of, we probably have a template that works pretty well. And I'm going to show you our fine and casual dining restaurant template here and just show you what you're getting. So the template really kind of culminates in this at a glance tab where you get a number of charts, graphs, tables. You get a profit and loss at a glance for 5 years, a number of industry specific KPIs and ratios that could be useful depending on the particular template. So this could be different data, summary data for each template. We have use of startup funds, a table here that kind of breaks down the sources and uses of funds, some key ratios, as well as a number of different graphs here. And then we also have a 5-year income statement, 5-year cash flow statement, 5-year balance sheet by year, and then all 5 years by month as well for the income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet. Now, those are all really going to be basically the same with each template, all of those kind of summary tabs. But what's going to be different with each template and what's customized is all of the input tabs are really going to be vastly different between a restaurant and a software as a service business, right? So show you here where you can enter in some general assumptions, fixed assets, loans, investments, that sort of thing. On this restaurant model, we have things like entering assumptions like the number of seats in the restaurant, how many days it's open per week, what's average party size, whether you're open for breakfast, lunch, dinner, some of the menu items, details about seasonality and capacity filled. So lots of detail here. You can kind of see, scroll down, a lot of detail here for each, because we're showing breakfast, lunch, dinner, and takeout options here to kind of culminate in total revenue. And so you're going to get a similar type of thing with every single template where you have a lot of ability to customize specifically for your industry or business type. And then again, in this example, we've got some assumptions about labor. How many hours are you open? How many servers, chefs, hosts, and other staff do you need? Cash flow assumptions as well. And then most of our operating expense tabs look similar to this, where you can enter in the various expense types along with what category of expense they should fit into, and then whether the expense is a fixed dollar amount or a percentage of revenue. So it could be a percentage of total revenue or a percentage of a particular line item of revenue. So maybe you have to pay a special tax on or fee on alcohol revenue, for example. Maybe you have something there. So you have that flexibility in there. And then we have salaries tab here where you can enter in individual positions and their annual salary, when they start and end, how many employees, an annual raise, a lot of assumptions there that, again, all culminates in this at a glance tab. So we have that for really all 50 of our templates. That what we're doing is offering this as a subscription, and we're constantly adding new templates. Also, as part of the subscription offer, you get a discount on our customization of the templates as well. And so lots of benefits here. If you want to look at the details of this offer, you can click the link to the template library subscription in the description of this video below. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.